The SAMR model was designed to help educators integrate technology into teaching and learning and was developed by Ruben Puentedera. This model describes a continuum of the extent to which technology is integrated into the classroom. It gives teachers a straightforward framework to judge how technology usage is transforming the learning environment. It begins in the substitution and augmentation phases and moves into the modification and redefinition phase, which enable transformational learning experiences for students. Substitution is where technology acts as a direct tool substitute with no functional change. It is doing the same task with the introduction of technology, but without any modification of that task. For example, you can see the writing on the left side here, and then using the Pages app on this side, the student has rewritten it as a direct substitute application. In the augmentation part of the SAMR model, the student is able to have functional improvement over a substitution activity. So in the Poplet application, students can easily and quickly add images to their mind map, making there a functional improvement over a traditional mind mapping activity. So too with the Book Creator app, where students are easily able to write in the text, but then record their voice, add images, and create an ebook. In the modification part of the SAMR model, this is where teachers are moving into the transformational zone of technology usage. And this is when technology allows for significant task redesign of an activity. The two examples are provided here are iMovie and the new Scratch application. With the iMovie application, students are able to create their own movies, use editing functions, use audio and narration to create their own movies from regular classroom experiences. Even though we've only been using Scratch for a short time, we have already seen that students are able to program characters or sprites within this application and even create short stories with multiple pages using this application. Redefinition is doing something that was inconceivable without technology, and it gives the students a stage for sharing. Redefinition can be achieved through single tasks like augmented reality apps that we haven't used a lot of at school. It can also be achieved through a number of apps and definitions in the classroom. So for example, in the juniors, the students made instructional videos. They looked at the instructional videos and the procedures that they created and redid them after evaluating the first time. They then put them into iMovie and will edit those movies, probably with audio and narration. They will be then published to YouTube, and the students will then use a QR code generator to create a QR code that they can place on the wall and then allow other students to share their learning and their understandings